Hello everyone, my name is Yasmin Herana Ramadhani. I'm from 11 Technical Engineering B. Today I would like to present two texts can read to grade 11. There are an argumentative text and procedure text. Okay, happy watching. Start from argumentative text. The title is the danger weaponization of mental health. In the digital age, conversations about mental health have become more common and have helped reduce stigma. However, a concerning trend has emerged where mental health terms are misused as a tool to avoid responsibility or manipulate situations. While genuine mental health struggles are serious and deserve support, using therapeutic language or fake vulnerability for personal gain can harmful. When mental health is weaponized, it creates toxicity in relationships and reduces the credibility of people who truly suffer from mental health disorders. One way this happens is when people use mental health as an excuse for harmful behavior. Instead of taking responsibility for their action, they may blame everything on trauma or anxiety. As a result, others may feel uncomfortable addressing the issue because they do not want to seem insensitive. This allows negative behavior to continue without consequence. Mental health can also be misused in relationships. Some individuals use therapy-related language to control situations and avoid criticism. They may claim that any disagreement or feedback is an attack on their mental well-being. This can invalidate other people's feelings and create an unfair narrative where they always appear to be victims. And social media has also contributed to this problem. Serious conditions such as depression or PTSD are sometimes used casually to describe temporary sadness or stress. This can spread misinformation and create a culture where real mental health struggles are viewed as attention-seeking behavior. As a result, it becomes harder for people to recognize genuine mental health crisis. The most harmful effect is this impact on people who actually live with mental health disorders. When mental health is treated as drama or used for manipulation, it can cause others to doubt those who genuinely need help. Many people may become afraid to speak openly about their struggles because they fear being judged or labeled as dramatic. In conclusion, the misuse of mental health term is a serious issue. While raising awareness about mental health is important, using it avoid accountability or manipulate others can damage trust and harm vulnerable individuals. Therefore, mental health should be treated with respect, understanding, and responsibility. In my opinion, this text teaches us that mental health is an important issue that should be taken seriously. Some people misuse mental health terms to gain sympathy, avoid responsibility, or manipulate situations. This behavior can hurt others and make it difficult for people to recognize real mental health problems. It can also affect those who currently suffer from mental disorders because they may not receive the support they need. Therefore, we should use mental health terms carefully and always be responsible for our action. Next, read the procedure text. The title is How to Produce a Colossal Short Film on a Budget. Producing a colossal made short film with a large number of people can be challenging but hugely rewarding. A colossal film usually involves large-scale scenes, historical setting, or massive battles. Although you may not have a Hollywood budget, careful planning can create the illusion of thousands. The key to success is preparation, creativity, and effective management of extra. 1. Define your scope and write the script. Okay, start by writing a script that focuses on a single, impactful scene rather than a complex, long-running battle. Focus on emotional moment between characters to create tension. Keep the colossal element focused on specific high values to maximize impact without exhausting resources. Understanding upon that recovery. 1. The reality of data deletion. Losing reality of data deletion. Losing precious photos or videos from a smartphone can be devastating. Many users believe that once a file is deleted from the gallery and the trash bin it is gone forever. However, this is not always the case, as the data might still exist in the phone's memory until it is overwritten by new data. 2. How Android permanent deletion works. When you delete an item from the recently deleted or trash folder in apps like Google Photos or Samsung Gallery, the phone marks to trash space as available. The files are not instantly wiped. They are just hidden from the user interface. 3. The importance of speed. The most critical factor in recovering permanently deleted files is time. If you continue to take new pictures, record videos, or download apps, the phone will overwrite the strong space where the deleted files were located, making recovery impossible. 4. Initial steps. Checking code backups before using advanced methods. Check your cloud backups and Google Photos, Samsung Cloud, OneDrive, or iCloud often synchronize data. Even if deleted from the phone, the files might still be in the cloud trash bin for up to 30 or 60 days. Okay, 5. Utilizing data recovery apps for Android. Several third-party applications such as Digger or US Mobile Saver are effective for recovering photos. These apps scan your internal memory and SD cards to locate fragment data that has not yet been overwritten. 6. Recovery without rooting. Many modern apps allow data recovery without needing to root the Android device. These apps function by accessing hidden cache files or level storage areas. Although routing can improve the efficiency of searching for deeper and loose files. 7. Connecting to a computer. If phone-based apps fail, connecting the phone to a computer and using specialist data recovery software, like the phone, can increase the success rate. The software scan for MTP, media transfer protocol, data fragments which can often restore lost media. 8. Recovering from SD cards. If the photos were stored on an external SD card, removing that card and using a card reader on a computer with file recovery software is often more effective than scanning through the phone itself, as it avoids overwriting the data during the process. 9. The risk of factory reset. It is important to understand that a factory reset usually makes data recovery impossible without professional forensic service. Factory reset wipes the encryption case, rendering the previous data unreadable, even if it is technically still on the disk. 10. Prevention is key. To avoid permanent loss in the future, it is crucial to enable automatic backup service. Regularly backing up to Google Drive, iCloud, or an external hard drive ensures that accidental deletion do not result in the permanent loss of valuable photos and videos. Okay, based on the text, making a colossal short film can be achieved without a high budget. The key is careful preparation, creative ideas, and effective use of resources. By planning each scan well and focusing on important parts of the story, filmmaker and produce a high-quality film that attract the audience attention. Maybe that's all. Thank you for attention. Thank you for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye bye.